Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Welcome back. Another edition of What's on Leanna's Porch. And today we have the very last Luxury Diva box. And it's February, and this is January's box because I don't know why they sent it out so late. And I got it in February, but okay. Anyway, I signed up for 3 months. Just to try it out. I wanted to see what a lifestyle box was like. I got 3 months for $90 with a $5 coupon, so I paid $85, and this is my last box. And the Luxury Diva boxes have been okay. Not really something that I'm into, but you don't know if you don't try, so let's see what I got in my January box. Comes with a big old sheet of paper that tells you what's in it and what the prices are of the items that you received, and it says that the value of my box is $125. And it's all nicely boxed up. And we have food. Y'all know I don't like to get food in my boxes. I paid for a lifestyle box. Not for the food. Don't send me food. And don't send me food that's open. And all over my box, I've got popcorn all over my box. I know there are a lot of people that love these Luxury Diva boxes, and I'm so happy that y'all love your boxes, but no, I'm not impressed. I'm not trying to be a negative Nelly, but I'm not impressed. So I took everything out of my box, and there's all the popcorn trash. So I'm going to start with what's on the top of the list of my sheet, and that is a blue, cornflower blue, long sleeve open cardigan, and it says it retails for $40. I did not realize that this box would have so much clothing in it. I'm not complaining about that, but I know that sometimes it's hard for them to get the sizes right because, you know, I will say that it is a very pretty cardigan, and it seems to be very nicely made. Let me push back some. Hold it up. It's got nice pockets on it. It's got popcorn on it. Well, that's a weird pocket. So there's the pocket. You see how big the pocket is? And there's the opening. That's interesting. Not complaining about that either. It has nice long sleeves. There's a pocket on the other side as well, made the same with that small opening. It's nice and heavy. It's pretty. I'm happy with that, and it looks like it is big enough for me to wear. And then we have a light gray cage top cami, and I guess I can wear this under the cardigan. And so there's the top of it, which is very pretty. It is nice and soft, and it's very well made, but I can tell you that that is going to be way too tight, and I know that a lot of people wear tight camis, or they like for them to be tight, but I do not. So I will hang this up on a hanger and use it as a motivation piece to get into it. I'm not unhappy with this either. Like I said, it feels very nicely made. It's valued at $23. So that's nice. I'm okay with that. And then we have an Ivory Headband with a flower on it. And this is valued at $18. I don't know what that is. And it's got somebody's hair on it. Can you see that? Hair that's stuck in it. Is that showing up? You see it? And I cannot get it to come. There we go. That is not a fiber. That is somebody's hair that was stuck in that. So I was gonna try that on because I mean it's cute, but I think I'll wash it first because I don't know whose head it's been on. But that's cute with the little buttons and the little flower on it, minus the hair. And then we have a brown oval stone bracelet choker necklace valued at $28, and that's this here. And it is a Luxury Divas brand. And it's gold, which is not my color. I don't do gold. That looks a little big for a bracelet, and it looks a little small for a choker. And then the last item in my box is a Italia Deluxe 2-pack Satin Lipstick Set valued at $16. And I can tell you just by holding these in my hand, they feel very, very cheap. Oh, this, I don't like negative reviews. I don't like the vibe of them and how they feel, but this is a very negative review, Luxury Divas. Yeah, these are just, okay, they're in plastic, made to look like metal, which is fine, but you can tell the packaging is just super cheap. I can't. Oh. Okay. That's nice. Let's see, how about now? Oh, there we go. I fixed it. It has the little logo there on the side. And it's got a cute little heart on the end. This is Snatched, is the shade of that one. And the other one is Red Bottoms. Red Bottoms. Let's see if this one's going to come up. Yep. That's a pretty shade. They're very pretty. Well, let's try one out, shall we? Which one? Let's go with the red. Let's try the red and see what happens. Do I smell coconut? Satin lipstick. It doesn't say. There's no other packaging to indicate what the ingredients are. It kind of smells like coconut though. The color looks good. Feels nice and creamy. So I'm not mad about that. I will use those. I like both of the colors and they feel really good. Just have to be a little careful trying to get it to roll up. But so there we go. Those are all the items in my very last January Luxury Divas box. I am not going to resubscribe because the box is okay. It's just not something for me. I'm not super impressed with it and I don't want to get items that have hair in it. Just me. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel and it sure would make my day. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you need a choker bracelet? A bracelet choker? I bet this would make a good ankle bracelet for you. Then when you're sitting back in your chair and you cross your ankles while you're fishing and you're waiting for the fish, maybe you could strap the fishing pole to your ankle. Then that way if you dozed off, you could feel the fish when he's tugging on it. Maybe I'll put this in the goodie box and mail it to you, okay? Mama loves you, boo.